on guys, Mixed here, back again for another cocktail. And today's cocktail guys is the rum Negroni. So what you want to do with this guys is get your mixing glass and put some ice cubes. So as you can see guys, we made our own ice cubes this time. Nice big ice cubes. There we go, So the first ingredient to go in guys is 25ml, just short of 1 ounce of water. So just to remind you, it's cold water, not hot water this. So the next ingredient to go in guys is 50ml, which is just short of 2 ounces of Campari. Next ingredient is 50ml, just short of 2 ounces of sweet red vermouth. As you can see, we're using the Martini brand. And the last ingredient to go in guys is 50ml, just short of 2 ounces of Spice Gold rum. Because it doesn't have to be a Spice Gold rum, it can be any gold rum this. So what you want to do guys is get your hip flasks. As you can see, ours is from The Alchemist, because they're very nice, and what we're going to do is strain into it. And there we go, one rum Negroni. So we'll seal this up. And now just for a tasting measure, we'll pour into a shot glass. And that is how you make a rum Negroni, because it's very similar to a gin Negroni, but you substitute the gin with rum. And just as a very famous and bitter cocktail taste. Ah, beautifully bitter, absolutely beautiful. Really compliments the spice rum does. So it's anything better than an Italian cocktail. But I can't wait to taste out of the hip flask. But that's the attention to detail. Thing with the hip flask, you can save the cocktail for another day. So a bit of same, but... Right, now let's have a taste out the hip flask. Chin chin. I would really recommend it. I would really recommend the rum Negroni. That is beautiful, and the best thing is with a hip flask, you can save for a nice day out somewhere. Hopefully very soon we'll all have a bit of normality back and we can have days out again and enjoy bars again. Days out into the cities like Manchester. So I really can't get enough of alcohol, so I really do recommend them. But that is the gin Negroni. I hope you enjoyed this nice and bitter aperitif cocktail. It's absolutely beautiful. Not quite the original famous Negroni, because it's just an alteration of it. So it's very similar to a gin Negroni, like I said. Substitute the gin with the rum and you get the rum Negroni. And that is how you make it. It's very simple. Because it's nice and bitter, has that famous Campari taste, and it's just absolutely beautiful. And I would really recommend the gin Negroni. That is today's cocktail video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Mixed, as the goal for the year is to try and reach to 1K. And any help towards that goal is greatly appreciated on this channel. And I will see you guys for the next cocktail video. Chin chin.